The word theocracy originates from ancient Greek words meaning the rule of God. First used by Flavius Josephus in the 1st century AD when referring to the government of the Jews. A theocracy derives authority from a religion and its deity while basing laws on religious text. One of the most famous Christian theocracies was created in 1929 when the Kingdom of Italy signed the Lateran Treaty, formally establishing and recognizing Vatican City as an independent state. The Pope is the head of state of the Vatican, while the legal system is rooted in the canon law of the Catholic Church. Some political philosophers have described tyranny as the union of church and state, associating a negative connotation with the term theocracy. Nations such as Iran, Afghanistan, and Saudi Arabia continue to govern as theocracies, despite a growing global outcry for religious reform.